Hi everyone, my name is Joyce and welcome to another DIY Monday. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so today I am going to be making a pair of Dangle earrings. I'm sure that you all saw the picture of the earring that I am going to be making. Here is what you are going to need to do this DIY. You're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers. You're going to need 4 pieces of 20 gauge wire. Now, let me stress this. I know a lot of you all who make jewelry, sometimes y'all have a hard time with using 20 gauge wire. I use 20 gauge wire because I like how stiff it is, how tight it is. And it's not always easy to work with, but to me, it makes my projects better. But if you have to use something a little lighter, by all means, do so, okay? So you need 4 pieces. So the very first piece that I have here is 7 inches long. You're going to need to cut your wire 7 inches long for the body of your earring. And then these 3 right here, it really does not matter as long as you have enough to do what you need to do. So I'm going to say maybe about 4 or 5 inches long. You're going to need a fish hook. You're going to need 1 jump ring. And I don't know if you all remember the haul that I did from the jewelry that I got from Joann's Fabrics, but this was one of the beads, and this is a 14 millimeter bead. So you are going to need a 14 millimeter bead. You're going to need a 12 millimeter bead, which is this. And you know what, y'all? I don't know what size this is. I'm guessing that this is either 16 or 18 millimeter, but this is one of the beads that came from the stash that I did yesterday from my Dollar Tree haul. So I am using one of these. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the very first thing that we are going to do is we're going to make the body of the earring. Now, you don't have to use anything to make the shape, that I'm about to make. If you want to, you can, but you don't necessarily have to. What you're going to do is you're just going to take your wire and you're going to just bend it slightly. Just start bending it. And you're kind of sort of bending it in like an oval shape. But it's going to look like, yes, this is what you want right here. Okay? It is, but it isn't. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to bend it up till about like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold these 2 pieces together just like this. You're going to twist it just like that. You're going to twist it. This is what it's going to look like when you twist it. Then you're going to take and bring this piece down just like that. Now I'm going to take my round nose pliers and hold that into place. I'm going to take this piece right here. Actually, I'm going to hold it into place right here. And I'm going to wrap this around. This piece, not the piece standing up, but this piece right here, I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to wrap it around twice, or as many times as you can get it. That's going to keep it and hold it into place. Okay, I am going to straighten this up a little bit because it's leaning. And then I'm going to start going around and just pulling it out to give it the shape that I want it to have, which is a round shape. Okay, and this is what we have, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I am going to take my wire cutters and I'm going to snip off that excess. I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm just going to go and squeeze this in. so there won't be anything sticking out. Okay, and this is what you're going to have. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do, just make sure it's together, we're going to, with this piece right here that's sticking up, we're going to just make a loop. So I'm going to bend it slightly, and then I'm just going to come around. Just like this. And this is the loop. Let me show you all. I'm going to straighten it up just a tad bit because it is crooked. Okay, now what we want to make sure that our piece is as far down as it can go, okay? So this part of the earring has been completed. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our next two beads on. So we're going to make a loop, just like this. We're going to give it some indentation, just like that. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers, hold that over top, hold it in place, pinch this up, and wrap it around twice. I am going to take my wire cutters, cut off the excess, and I'm going to use my flat nose pliers and then go in and just squeeze this in just like that. Now I'm going to add my gold bead. Actually, I'm sorry. I'm going to add my spacer bead and then my gold bead. And I am going to make a loop. When I make my loop, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to make it to the side, just like this one is. So let me show you. I'm going to make a loop, just like that. And I need to attach this onto this. So I'm going to take and then, excuse me, y'all, and then push this through just like that. And this has been attached, okay? Then I am going to take and give this a little indentation, and I'm going to take and hold this in place and wrap it around. Wrap it around as many times as I can get it. Okay, and then I'm going to snip off the excess. Just like that. Go in with my flat nose pliers and squeeze that in so that nothing is sticking out. And that is what you have, ladies and gentlemen. That is what you will have. Now the next piece, I am going to add my pearl bead, which is this one right here. So I'm going to make another loop. Okay, just like this. I'm going to give it some indentation. And then I'm going to attach this onto this right here. So I'm going to just push that through, pull it up, and that is into place. I'm going to take my round nose pliers, hold it in place, pinch this up, wrap it around twice. I'm sorry, y'all, if I sound like a robot today. I hope everybody is having a wonderful and beautiful Monday. We're going to clip off the excess here. And I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and go in and squeeze that in. Just like that. Now we're going to add on our pearl. And all I'm going to do with the pearl is pretty much the same thing that I did with this bead right here. So my pearl is going this is going this way. I want it to be the exact same way. So I'm going to put my hand here and I'm going to make a loop. Just like that. And I want you all to see. And then I'm going to give it some indentation. And I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping. Holding it in place as I wrap it. I hope everyone is getting ready for the 7 days of Handmade, which will be airing on Thursday. Ladies and gentlemen, so the 7 days of Handmade will be airing on this Thursday, which is August the 9th. Squeeze that in. And I'm going to go ahead and add my fish hook. So we want to just put this on and then close it up. And last but not least, we're going to add on this piece right here. This is the very last bead. So we're going to do it the same way we did the last 2 beads. We're going to make a loop. We're going to give it some indentation. And then we're going to go ahead and add this onto the end of this. Squeeze that through. And I'm going to take my round nose pliers, hold that in place, pinch this up, wrap it around twice. Okay, I am going to pinch this off, take my flat nose pliers and go in to make sure it's nice and not sticking. And then I'm going to take and just add on my bead. Okay, I got my bead on. The next thing we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is we're going to push this up just like that. Push it up. We're going to take and wrap it around just like that until you get all the way over to the other side. And I'm going to show you all what it looks like, just like this. So you're going to take and bring this piece up, bring it around, and push it up until it meets from one side to the other side. Now we're going to take and cut this off right here. Okay, just like that. Go in, squeeze that in. And here we have a beautiful pair of Dangle drop earrings. Those are gorgeous. Okay, these don't match because one is bigger than the other. But this is the one. This is the one that I made the picture from. The picture that you see, this is the one that I made. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I will see you guys on the 7 days of Handmades. I hope you all are ready for this series. I am completely excited. And I want to thank you all for joining me for Mondays for DIY Monday. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And I will be talking to you all shortly. I love each and every one of y'all. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace and blessings. See ya.